Welcome back to Future Fuel, your go-to destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting sedans of 2025, the Toyota Crown. This iconic nameplate has been reimagined, combining luxury, innovation, and performance in a way that sets a new standard for Toyota sedans. Let's begin with the design. The 2025 Toyota Crown is a true work of art. Up front, the bold grille makes a statement, while sharp LED headlights add a modern, aggressive touch. The body features sleek lines that flow seamlessly from front to back, creating an aerodynamic silhouette. Toyota has infused the Crown with a coupe-like profile, giving it a sporty yet elegant vibe. The large 19 or 21-inch alloy wheels further enhance its commanding presence on the road. Moving to the interior, the Crown doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. Toyota has crafted a cabin that exudes luxury. High-quality materials, including leather upholstery and brushed aluminium accents, are paired with ambient lighting to create a serene driving environment. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a massive 12.3 infotainment touchscreen, seamlessly integrated with Toyota's latest multimedia system. Features like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium JBL sound system, and built-in navigation ensure the Crown's tech game is strong. For the driver, the digital instrument cluster offers customizable displays, providing all the information you need at a glance. And for rear passengers, there's plenty of legroom and available heated seats, making long drives an absolute pleasure. But the Crown isn't just about looks and comfort. Under the hood, Toyota offers a choice of two powertrains. The first is a 2.4-liter turbocharged hybrid that delivers a robust 340 horsepower. This powertrain combines efficiency with exhilarating performance thanks to Toyota's innovative hybrid technology. The second option is the full hybrid system, which focuses on fuel economy without compromising power. With an estimated combined fuel economy of 41 miles per gallon, it's perfect for those who want to go farther for less. Both powertrains are paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system, ensuring excellent handling and stability in all driving conditions. Safety is another area where the Crown shines. Toyota has equipped this sedan with its latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Crown has your back. 8. For 2025, Toyota has also introduced an optional advanced park assist, which takes the stress out of parking entirely. With just the press of a button, the Crown can parallel or perpendicular park itself, even in tight spaces. What truly sets the 2025 Toyota Crown apart is its versatility. Toyota has designed this sedan to appeal to a wide range of drivers. Whether you're looking for a luxurious daily driver, a sporty weekend car, or a fuel-efficient hybrid, the Crown can do it all. And let's not forget the small details that make a big difference. From the head-up display to the panoramic sunroof, every feature has been thoughtfully designed to enhance your driving experience. Now let's talk about pricing and availability. The 2025 Toyota Crown starts at an estimated $42,000 for the base model, while the fully loaded Platinum trim can reach around $55,000. It's competitively priced for a luxury sedan that offers so much in terms of performance, technology, and style. Toyota dealerships are expected to have the Crown available by the end of this year, so keep an eye out if you're in the market for a game-changing sedan. The 2025 Toyota Crown represents the perfect balance between tradition and innovation. It pays homage to its legacy while embracing the future with cutting-edge technology and hybrid powertrains. So, what do you think of the all-new Toyota Crown? Is it the luxurious hybrid sedan you've been waiting for? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Future Fuel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video on Future Fuel.